Hey friends! Today is the Coral City Talent Show. I'll do the most dazzling bubble dance.
I'll tell a new superhero story.
I'll do a bubble magic trick.
I'll sing a super sweet song.
Hey, we have a new friend who wants to join. This is Shy Seahorse.
Hi everyone. I have a talent, but I'm scared.
It's okay to feel nervous, Shy Seahorse. The key is confidence.
Confidence is believing in yourself. Confidence means believing in yourself. But how do you get it if you're scared?
We'll find your unique talent and help you practice.
I'm good at making square bubble rings.
Square bubble rings? That's so unique! I've never seen that! Try blowing gently, Shy Seahorse. You got this!
Yeah, look at all those bubbles!
Wow, that was amazing! Almost there. Give it a try. Gently now.
Oh no, look! More squares!
I can't make round bubbles. I'm a bubble artist failure. No way. You're trying to be someone else. Practice what you're good at. Exactly. Find your unique strength and shine with it. This is the best practice reef ever.
My bubbles are sparkling.
Let's show them what we've got. Crabs aren't good at ballet. Crabs are great at pinching and sidestepping. Awesome. I'm great at the crab dance. Starfish aren't fast swimmers. Starfish are great at sticking and balancing. You're right. This is my talent.
See? Finding what you're best at is the first step to confidence.
Oh yeah, it's time to shine.
No need to copy, no need to match. Your own talent makes you catch.
Crabs go sideways, starfish stick. Everyone's different, that's the trick.
Confidence up, 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 confidence up, up, up. Discover your strength, shine bright.
I'll practice my square bubble rings.
For a square bubble to hold, it needs thicker walls and 90-degree blow angles. I'll imagine an invisible mold to help you shape it.
Keep blowing, push it right into the corners. Yes, you did it! A perfect
Square bubble.
It's incredible! You actually made a square bubble! Wow, it's beautiful! So special! But it's kinda small! Right! For the show, make it bigger and bolder. Bigger! Bigger means I'll be more scared! I'm scared of loud noises! We need to help Lobster get used to noise.
I'll make fun sounds.
Are you feeling the rhythm now, Dima?
Oh yeah, Gil.
This is the loudest song ever! Lobster, those noises are applause. They mean joy, not danger.
I'm not scared anymore.
Confidence isn't no fear. It's knowing you can handle fear.
I will make the biggest square bubble.
I can handle the fear.
Shake if you shake, cold in your fin. But my talents fly and let it begin. Breathe in, breathe out, courage now. Confidence is your colorful cape.
Confidence, confidence, shout it loud. The crowd loves you, stand tall and proud. You're doing great. Keep the sides straight.
Just like that, a perfect square bubble.
Wow, look at the size of it.
It's as tall as 3 coral stacks. What an achievement! Now it's showtime!
And our final act, a never-before-seen talent, Shy Seahorse's Square Bubble Art.
Hello, everyone. Breathe deep, Shy Seahorse. Wow, a tower of perfect squares. That was amazing.
It's a bubble skyscraper! So creative!
So unique and dazzling. I may be little, but my dreams are huge. What's this? What's this? What an amazing performance, folks!
Oh, I'm so happy.
I did it! I'm not scared anymore! Ah!
That was wonderful, Seahorse. Amazing, Shy Seahorse. You showed your unique talent and true confidence.
We learned confidence isn't being perfect. It's embracing what makes you different.
And not being afraid of what makes you different.
Confidence comes from preparation and knowing your worth.
I'm so proud of you, Shy Seahorse. You shone so bright.
Guppies, you didn't just find talent. You found the power of encouragement.
Together, we can make anyone feel confident.
I'll never be shy about my square bubbles again.
Confidence up, up, up. Confidence up, up, up. Discover your strength. Shine bright.
That performance was explosive. See you later. Always be confident and shine in your own way, friends.
Confidence up, up, up. Confidence up, up, up. Discover your strength. Shine bright.
That performance was explosive.
See you later.
Always be confident and shine in your own way, friends. See you in Coral City.
Confidence up, up, up. Confidence up, up, up. Discover your strength. Shine bright.
That performance was explosive. See you later. Always be confident and shine in your own way, friends. See you in Coral City.